What if I told you Google just dropped a 68-page master guide that could turn you into a prompt engineering pro for free? You don't need to be a developer. You don't need a PhD. Just the right guidance, and this document might change how you work with AI forever. Today, I'll show you what's inside this amazing guide from Google, why it's a game changer for every AI user, and how you can use tools like NotebookLM to learn even faster. Let's dive in. Why prompt engineering matters. AI is everywhere. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude, Copilot. But here's the secret. AI is only as smart as the prompt you give it. Whether you're creating content, generating images, building tools, or automating tasks, your results depend on how well you instruct the AI. That's what prompt engineering is. The art of talking to AI effectively. And the demand for this skill is exploding. Companies are hiring prompt engineers, and there are even online marketplaces where people buy and sell prompts. What Google's guide includes. To support this growing field, Google released a completely free 68-page prompt engineering guide. But this isn't a boring technical manual. It's filled with real examples of effective and poor prompts, frameworks to improve clarity, tone, and structure, use cases for writers, developers, marketers, and educators, step-by-step methods to refine and iterate prompts, tips for getting more accurate, creative, and useful responses from AI. Even better, the guide is written in a simple and easy-to-understand format. Anyone can use it. Why this guide is valuable. Here's why this guide is a goldmine for anyone working with AI. You'll learn to save hours by crafting smarter prompts. You'll unlock more creative, detailed, and relevant AI responses. You'll understand how to break down complex tasks for AI. You'll gain a professional skill that's in high demand and growing. You don't need coding. You just need curiosity and practice. Bonus tip. Google's NotebookLM. Here's a secret tip. Once you download this ebook, upload it to NotebookLM, another AI tool from Google. Why? Because NotebookLM can. Turn the ebook into a personalized podcast. Summarize the most important sections, answer questions about the content. Create a mind map for easy learning. Let you explore the book in your own way, like an interactive tutor. It's the best way to learn hands-free while walking, cooking, or commuting. Marketplaces and prompt careers. Let's talk about earning with prompts. Today, there are platforms like PromptBase, FlowGPT, Prompt Hero, where you can buy, sell, and showcase your prompts. If you master this skill, you could start freelancing, consulting, or even building your own prompt packs for specific tasks like writing, coding, or teaching. The opportunities are real, and this guide is the perfect starting point. Whether you're a creator, student, entrepreneur, or just someone curious about AI, this guide is a gift you shouldn't ignore. I've made it even easier for you by turning it into a podcast using NotebookLM. Link in the comments. Download the guide, study it, practice the techniques, and start thinking like a prompt engineer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more AI tools, productivity hacks, and future tech tutorials, this is just the beginning. The AI world is moving fast. Let's ride the wave together.